Hi, you're watching Infraready. This is the latest product demo of our laser matrix with a difference. So it's a red laser matrix, as with all matrices, is adjustable. But the difference with this device is that it can be powered off anything like a tablet or a USB battery that has a full-size USB port. So this is a male USB socket. You can get converters for these to drop them down to micro USB-C or USB Lightning for smartphones such as Apple, etc., or Android. So you can buy converters online, or if you buy this product direct, as suggested, you can plug it into these style battery banks or directly into your computer. So simple to use, just plug it in and away it goes. I'll just show you once more. So obviously it's got a good distance, good coverage as well, so comparable to any laser matrix pen that's typically used for ghost hunting and paranormal research. Okay, thanks for watching. Obviously please subscribe and like. Visit our website to see our full range of ghost hunting equipment. Ta-da!